How would you like to create an eye-catching graphic like this for your next marketing campaign? You can, and it's easy. Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle Reimers, Demas Communications and Publications Chief, and if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll take you from start to finish. Trust me, it's much easier than you probably think. For this tutorial, we'll be using the paid version of Canva. It's a great user-friendly graphic design platform, and at just $15 a month for a pro plan, it's a pretty cost-effective option. Plus, there's a free trial available, so you can try it out for yourself. I should also mention that you don't need Canva to create this graphic. Just about any graphic design program can create something similar. While the specific step-by-step execution might be different, the overall process will typically be similar in nature. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to start by opening my Canva and creating a design. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to select the Facebook post. Over here, under Element, you can search the photo library to find a photo to use. And if you want to use your own image, you can upload it here. Now, I already have an image and design in mind, so I'm going to retrieve my preferred image from my recently used area here and drop it into my canvas, resizing it until the subject is the appropriate size for my desired design. You'll notice that the image doesn't fill my canvas, and that doesn't really matter because ultimately we are going to get rid of the photo's background anyway. Okay, so when we have our subject sized appropriately, we're going to start working on the letters of our featured word. I'm going to use the word scuba. To create this text effect, we are going to go back to Elements, scroll all the way down to Frames, and click on See All. From here, I'm going to type in each letter of my word, selecting the letter style I like and dropping it into my design. Now I'm going to work on resizing them and arranging them appropriately. Once they are in place, I'm going to exit out of Frames and return to my image. From here, I'm going to drag it into each letter, resizing it and aligning it with the background image as I go. If the letter seems to disappear, then we know we've done a pretty good job getting it all lined up. We'll speed up the video so we can move on to the next step more quickly. Once you've filled your letters with the image, we are going to select them all and add a border to them. And then finally, select the background image and remove the background. How about that? Doesn't that look so cool? Let's speed it up while I add some additional text to this design. And with that, my design is complete. The possibilities of what you could do with this concept are endless. Does this have you feeling inspired? Who knows? Maybe you'll see this fun text effect in one of Demas' future designs. I encourage you to try it out for yourself. As you can see, it doesn't take long at all, and you're left with a really eye-catching design. If you make one, I'd love to see it. If you have any questions or want to share your design with me, send me an email at rochelle@dema.org.